Welcome to Quick and Easy Graphic Design. Create stunning Instagram posts like this one for your business without having to use confusing programs such as Photoshop, which has thousands of options, when all you need is a simple but effective Facebook banner like this one. Or just a couple Instagram posts for your business like this one and this one. But perhaps you also want to show off your work in a web page. We'll go over how to do that too. And if you're wondering how I made this animated video, I'll go over that too in the bonus section. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today. You'll get full access to all the course materials. And if you ever get stuck at any point, just drop a message in the class forum and I'll be right there to walk you through step by step. So what are you waiting for?